Hi everybody. So today we're going to do a back stitch, and again I'm just using some burlap and a big plastic needle with the yarn on it just so you can really see what's going on. And well, we're going to go ahead and get started here on the back stitch. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to come up through our fabric, and we're going to take a small stitch back, and then we're going to come right in the front this same distance. We're going to come about the same distance and then poke our needle out just like so. Oops, keep those tails there on the other side. Alright, now we're going to come back through the same hole here, and this distance we're going to come through this hole and we're going to come out about the same distance up here. So we're going to go in there and coming out the same distance here. And we're going to pull that through. And now we have our second stitch. And that's basically it. We're just going to keep repeating that, coming in the hole and then coming out whatever distance here, coming out that same distance on the other side of our last exit hole. And we're just going to keep running it down and go through here. Whoops, going all over the place there. And another one, and we'll do one more just in the hole, out the same distance, and there you go. That is the back stitch. If you're enjoying my tutorial videos, maybe consider hitting that subscribe button so I know people are watching, and well, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!